Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. And right in the middle, we've got the timer option, which is right now turned off. And as you can see, we've got 3 additional options. So we've got 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick 10 not minutes, but seconds. And as you can see, the icon changed slightly. It is right now highlighted in this yellowish color. So all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will from now on count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And of course, all other options will work the same, just the countdown time will be different. So let me check, 2 seconds delay. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 2. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on this icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.